Hey, can I show them how to use this dog brush on you? Does that sound good? Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a quick little review of this Pet Grooming Rake. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. I love grooming rakes. I have double-coated dogs, and grooming rakes work so well with double-coated dogs. Now, all of my dogs, all three of them, have recently been groomed. So I don't know how much fur this is going to get off of them right now, but we're going to put it to the test and see how well it works. Now, this is something a lot of people do not know, but you should never brush your dogs with a completely dry coat. It's always a good idea to put some type of spray conditioner. You spritz it a little bit onto their coat. Eleanor is not a big fan of the spray conditioner. It always makes her have this face. And then you take this brush. You can see it is curved. You can also see that it has the teeth are closer together at the bottom. That works great for dogs with an undercoat. And then we're just gonna gently, oh, look at that. She's like, oh, it's like the puppy massage? Yeah, it's a puppy brush massage. Oh my goodness, look at how much fur it already got off of her in just those few swipes. I'm gonna give her a few more swipes. Can I do a few more swipes? She's like, no, you cannot. No, you cannot swipe me no more. All right, we'll give you a few more swipes off camera and then we'll show everybody. Oh my goodness. So this was just a few more swipes of her back and a little tiny bit of her tail, and you can see just how much fur came out. And like I said, I just groomed all of these dogs. Let me test it on Kira. All right, so I spritzed her with some conditioner. Hi, I know. She's like, it's not my favorite thing, but I guess you can. Right here, you can see I'm pulling it at the same, but it's so thick right there. And then look at that. Look at how much fur that got off. You guys saw me do that. That's how much fur it already got off. This would get so much fur off of you. The undercoat rakes are great because it gets deep down into that undercoat. You can see here, I'll show you just how thick, their coats are. So being able to have a brush that gets down into that and can help get some of that dead undercoat out is amazing. If you don't have one of these, you should, because they're great. And the more fur you get off of them this way, the less fur you have to vacuum up from the rest of your house. We approve. Kira says, I don't really approve of being brushed, but I approve at the same time.